Here we are looking at question 19. Shape S is 1/4 of a solid sphere, center O. So that right there is going to be like 90 degrees. The volume of S is 576 pi centimeters cubed. Find the surface area of S. Give your answer correct to 3 sig fig. And we've got a few formulas here. Okay. So, in order to find the surface area, I would like to first know the radius of this sphere. Okay? And I can find the radius if I know the volume of the whole sphere. But I don't know the volume of the whole sphere, but I know that the volume of 1/4 of the whole sphere is 576 pi. Okay? Let me write, just 1 second. Let me write volume of sphere is going to be 4 times 576 pi. And this is equal to 2304 pi. Okay? And that means I know that volume of the sphere, if I use this formula, 4/3 pi r cubed is the same as this. So 4/3 pi r cubed is equal to 2304 pi. I can divide both sides by pi. Okay. Now I can multiply both sides by 3/4. So I get rid of the 4/3. Let me just do that. 2304 just divided by 4. So I get r cubed is equal to 1728. Now I can cube root it. And I realize that r is 12. Okay? Now this is really useful. This is 12. Okay. Now that I know the radius is 12, I can begin to try and find the surface area. Notice here, I've got a semicircle. And also here, I've got a semicircle. Okay? These two semicircles will join to make a full circle. And I know that the radius of this circle is 12. So how do I find the area? I'm just going to write area of flat. Area of flat. This is going to be pi r squared. And this is just 144 pi. Okay? Now, how do I find the curved surface area? Well, I know that the surface area of the entire sphere is just 4 pi r squared. But I don't want the entire sphere. I just want a quarter of the sphere. And so I can just divide this value by 4. So I'm just going to call it area of curved. It is 4 pi r squared over 4, because remember I'm only looking at a quarter of the entire sphere. This is equal to pi r squared. And again, this is equal to 144 pi. Okay? So if I add the area of the curved and the area of the flat, I get 288 pi. And if I convert this into centimeters, 288 times pi, I get 904 point. If we went to 3 sig fig. So let me just write it out fully. 7787. And this to 3 sig fig is just 905. So that would be our final answer.